guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own passport photo style without going to photo studio or anything. And you can also do it on website like editing, like background removal. So this is basically all in one app. So in order to do that, you just have to cut out Pro on Google. Just open Google Chrome and type Cutout Pro. Click on the first link. As you can see, the first link is. As you can see, this is an AI visual design platform in which you can see image background removal, photo enhancer, cartoon selfie, art, remove unwanted objects like reface or photo enhancer, photo colorizer, photo animer, color correction, cartoon selfie. So this is the one. This is I'm talking about passport photo maker. This one is the best. You can make your own passport size photograph at your home. And just have to click that link in which you have to upload your image. In this case example, I'm using an example picture. So in order to do that, you have to first log in. So if I'm logging in, so if first you log in, then you will be able to use that website. So see, as I am logged in, I will click on this picture here. This is an example picture, so I can show you how this thing works. As you can see, this interface is just open, and as you can see, as my country is Pakistan, so I can choose my own passport size, my country passport size photo. So I say Pakistan passport, and it's become Pakistan passport size photograph. And furthermore, I can change the color of the background as I want: blue, white, some prefer black if you want. And then the most interesting part is that you can change the clothes of what you're wearing. For example, if you're in t-shirt and you want to look like a professional and want to be in suit, so you can click on this and you can see. I just click on this and this will be weird, but this is looking weird. So let me try another one, and we will see what that result. Wait, oh, this is more weird. Let me try more professional simple suit for her. Yeah, that's looking nice. See, now that changes. There are a lot of choices for you to wear in one picture. See that difference. And furthermore, you can do any other things that you want. For example, I'm trying to show you image background removal. So just you will click on this image background removal. We will upload our image. For example, I'm using just a simple picture now of Super Mario, my favorite cartoon game. So as you can see, I just click. I will upload the picture here, and it will just remove the background for me, like full clean picture. And you can even change the background of what you want: white, blue, yellow, with clear background. Just remove it, and then first remove background, and then you can make your own passport size photograph, and then you can wear whatever clothes you want without wearing them, and your passport size photo is ready.